Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Trust Wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're looking to move your Solana tokens for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. By 2025, crypto processes are even more streamlined, but the basics remain key to avoiding any hiccups. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Kraken account set up. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. It's user-friendly and secure, which is why it's a favorite for many. Once you're in, navigate to your Solana wallet. You'll see your balance and transaction history. Tap on it to access the send option. Next, head over to your Kraken account on a web browser or app. Go to the deposit section, select Solana, and generate a new deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's for the Solana network to prevent any errors. Copy this address carefully. It's like the key to your funds. Now, back in Trust Wallet, hit the Send button for your Solana wallet. Paste the Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but don't forget to check the network fees first. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything: the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, confirm the transaction. After you send it, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for confirmation and check Kraken for the incoming funds. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred Solana from Trust Wallet to Kraken. This process keeps your assets moving smoothly in the evolving crypto world of 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.